Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Down to our last match of this Sunday matchup dito sa ating Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Women's Division. At nasa quarterfinals na po tayo. At nagbabalik tayo dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court for our last game. Again, nagbabalik po at naglilingkod ang inyong commentator, Rick Puerta, together with me, Escali Francisco, to bring the hottest update dito sa loob ng court.
bakbakan nga ng ACLC Hawks at ng NCF Tigers dito sa last game ngayong araw. At maya-maya lamang makikita natin kung sino nga ba ang mag-uuwi ng panalo dito sa quarterfinals.
Yes, I'm sure excited ang lahat ng mga natitira dito sa loob ng ating NCF covered court knowing ang oras nga, Kelly. Pero talagang umaapaw dito ang enjoyment, excitement at volleyball action. So tutok lamang because in a few minutes, magsisimula na ang bakbakan between ACLC Hawks versus the NCF Tiger for the quarterfinals match.
At maraming salamat sa ating mga live viewers sa ating Facebook page, sa GNN TV 48, Naga at Oragon Sports TV. Patuloy lang po tayong tumutok dahil hindi pa po tapos ang laban dito sa matchup na ito.
So this is very crucial for these both teams knowing na this is the quarterfinal round. So I'm sure both teams are prepared para dito sa araw na ito, or should I say gabi na nga. Good evening everyone and thank you so much po sa patuloy na sumusuporta at nanunood sa ating live coverage. So this is a very interesting match, a match to watch para dito sa last matchup ng dalawang kupunan. At makakasama nga natin dito ang ating dalawang courtside reporter. We have Zai on the side of the ACLC Hawks and we have Precious on the
Coach
side
Kiko,
of NCF Tigers to bring us the hottest update. So Zai, anong preparations dito na ginawa ng ACLC knowing nakatapat nila dito ay isang undefeated na NCF Tigers?
Magandang gabi, Rick and Kelly, at magandang gabi din sa ating viewers here on our official broadcast partners, GNN TV 48 Naga, and on Bucal's official Facebook page. This is Sholomar Zaiminiano, your most charming courtside reporter, and I'm welcoming you to another nerve-wracking game between the ACLC and the NCF Tigers. Tonight, we will be witnessing the battle of the guard and the wing. Kaya naman talagang kapanapanabig mga dito sa ng NCF. But before to the game, we have the head coach of the ACLC, Coach Kiko. So Coach Kiko, magandang gabi sa inyo, Coach. Coach, kamusta naman ang pakiramdam natin na nakaabot na tayo sa quarterfinals ng season ito?
Actually, masaya yung experience para sa mga senior high school from ACLC.
And as you mentioned, Coach, they are senior high school students, right? So one of the youngest players or youngest team dito sa loob ng Bucal. So ano bang dapat namin na-expect from these young players?
Actually, walang expectation sa amin. Wala din pressure sa amin. Ang gusto lang namin for this league is to have more experience para sa mga bata.
And Coach, not to mention that it's their first time, right? First time magkaroon ng women's volleyball team ang ACLC. Diba? So ano naman yung mga pinaka-exciting moments during your journey here in Bucal?
Siguro exciting moments pag nakakapanalo kami ng set kasi yung players namin is purely senior high school. Medyo mahirap yung training and recruitment. Pero maganda yung experience na binibigay ng mga bata.
Would you like to invite the ACLC community to support our team tonight?
I'm inviting the ACLC Hawks, the ACLC family to watch games sa ating girls and boys team. Especially yung boys team, we have seeding games pa.
Maraming salamat po, Coach Kiko. There we have it, the head coach of the ACLC Hawks. Maraming salamat po, Coach. You can move on. Now, there we have it, the head coach. So, which Kelly and Rick, palalim ang gabi, pero gising naman ang players ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Medyo heartbreaking para sa akin na matuklasan ang laban ng dalawang teams since both of them are very dear to my heart. But I know for a fact na matutunghayan natin ang isang kapanapanabik na laro. Kaya naman yan muna ang updates ko dito sa side ng ACLC Hawks. This is Sholomar Zaiminiano here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Balik sa inyo, Kelly, Rick.
Thank you, Zai, for that update. It is a really interesting matchup considering that ACLC Hawks are youngsters. These youngsters will face as well the champion of Bucal Season 5. At makikita nga natin dito na alam naman natin na hindi sila magpapatalo kung ano man ang magiging resulta ngayong araw.
Ayan. Let's see kung yung mga ginawang preparations ba dito on the side of ACLC, talagang makikita natin dito sa matchup. kontra sa NCF Tigers. This is a little bit hard on the side of ACLC knowing na ang makakalaban nila or makakaharap nila is undefeated. So a little bit of pressure on their side. So let's see kung ma-overcome ba nila at magiging successful ba ngayon at papanig sa kanila ang panalo ngayon. And on the other side of things, NCF, ano kaya ang gagawin dito ng NCF? Magkakaroon ba sila dito ng clean record or magkakaroon sila ng unang pagkatalo dito sa gabing ito at yun ang aabangan natin maya-maya.
And of course, the NCF Lady Tigers should not be complacent on this. Kahit na undefeated sila, still Rick, bilog ang bola. We will never know who will win this game unless they prove it. But right now, to hear an update on the side of the Lady Tigers, Precious, any update there? At ayan nga, babalikan natin si Precious with that update. But ngayon, we are now seeing on the screen the warm-up of the NCF Lady Tigers preparing for this game. But right now again, let's hear an update on the side of the Lady Tigers. Precious, ano ang update dyan?
Maraming salamat, Rick and Kelly. Good evening, Bicolanja. This is once again the League of Creating Champions Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament. And now, we're up to the last intensifying matchup between the ACLC Lady Hawks versus the NCF Lady Tigers. And of course, here beside me is Coach Rosalie Pepito. Hi, Coach. Good evening. Coach, what's the main strategy that you want the team to showcase tonight?
First of all, thank you sa lahat ng nanonood and sa supporters ng NCF. Yung preparation namin at saka yung strategy ng team namin is just to give their best every game. Lahat ng laro nila dapat nag-e-enjoy lang sila. Tsaka yung lahat ng tinitraining namin dapat ma-apply nila sa game. Yun lang naman yung pinaghahandaan namin always.
Okay, Coach. Next question will be, paano nyo po na-maintain yung chemistry ng inyong team?
Sinasabi lang namin sa kanila na dapat every game, mag-uusap lang sila kung ano yung dapat gagawin nila. Kasi tinitraining naman sila everyday. Lahat ng pinapagawa sa kanila is pinapractice naman nila during training.
Alright, Coach. Now, let's invite the NCF community to show support to our Lady Tigers.
To all NCF community, please support the NCF Lady Tigers in Bucal every Saturday and Sunday. Thank you very much po.
Thank you so much, Coach. Good evening. And there you have it, Bicolanja. This is Precious Garcia, your courtside correspondent from the bench of the NCF Lady Tigers. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much for that, Precious. And of course, sa assistant coach ng NCF Lady Tigers. So yun nga, nagiging maganda dito yung connections ng mga players ng NCF because dapat daw, ini-enjoy lang dito ng players yung every game. Kahit sino man ang makalaban nila, dapat they will give their 100%. And of course, enjoy the game kasi yun lang naman din dito ang hinahanap ng mga coaches eh. Yung dapat mag-enjoy lang dito yung mga players and at the same time, gawin din yung assignment na binilin sa kanilang mga head coach. So, let's see kung madedefend ba nitong ating NCF ang kanilang corona dito sa ating Bucal Season 6 Women's Volleyball and at the same time mapanatili ang kanilang clean record.
Yes, Rick, and also no pressure at all for the players. Kailangan lang talaga nilang mag-enjoy according nga sa assistant coach para mapalabas yung totoong chemistry at mag-usap sa loob ng court. And right now, seeing on your screen, of course, the first set of the quarterfinals of Bucal Season 6 Women's Volleyball. It's the matchup between the ACLC Hawks versus the NCF Lady Tigers.
Who will draw the first blood para dito sa dalawang kupunan? And now, The ball or the first service will go on the side of the ACLC. Ayan, thank you so much din po sa ating mga live viewers na talaga namang nakatutok pa up until now sa ating live coverage. And of course, sa mga tao dito sa loob ng NCF covered court, medyo marami-rami pa din ang mga nanunood. Siyempre, it's the matchup between the ACLC Hawks and the NCF Tigers. So I'm sure marami dito ang magsusuporta knowing na itong NCF naka-home court. And at the same time, this ACLC Hawks malapit rin dito sa ating venue. That's why I'm sure 100% talaga namang full support dito yung mga fans ng dalawang koponan.
And also, Rick, you have said nga, both teams has the most number of supporters. Hindi pa ito yon since sobrang gabi na, but still, if makikita natin talaga on their past games, ACLC Hawks and NCF Tigers, ang daming sumusuporta at nagmamahal sa parehong kupunan na ito.
Flawless, nice serve. Now Kutitob setting up Abitria and error. With that error, first point sa ACLC Hawks.
Napangiti na lang doon si Abitria doon sa ginawa niya. But let's see right now, still on the service deck.
Back-to-back service, or rather unforced error for this both teams, Kelly. Medyo malamig pa dito yung dalawang koponan. Because again, nagsisimula pa lamang po ang ating first set. So, first set jitters talagang nararamdaman ito ng ating mga players. Now, Kutitob. Free ball will be given on the side of Tigers. Kutitob, pababawiin si Kisha Abitria with that cross-court hit.
Bawing-bawi ni Kisha Abitria yung error na nagawa niya kanina. What a hit coming from this young lady.
Kelly, let's talk about the ACLC Hawks. Alam naman natin na first timer ito dito sa ating Bucal. So again, pressure talagang mararamdaman nila dito. At the same time, makakakuha din sila dito ng mga experiences knowing na yung mga nakakaharap nila is marami ng mga commercial league na nasalihan. So this is a good avenue for all the athletes na talaga namang gusto ang paglalaro ng volleyball.
Yes, Rick, and that's how good the ACLC players going into this competition, even though they are youngsters. But on that side, what a spike coming from Abitria. Talking about ACLC Hawks, yun nga, these youngsters are now playing with different players na talagang they have the experience already. But makikita mo lang yung passion and yung love ng mga batang ito sa larong volleyball.
Now, great start on the side of NCF. Anong gagawin ditong pagbawi ng ACLC? Nice recovery. Now, free ball will be given on the side of Lady Tigers. Kutitob on her medal. Miss-set pero naitawid pa rin dito. This time, kay Abitria ulit, and Abitria delivering and scoring on their side. Let's take a look one more time for the replay. Broken play na nga yun, Kelly, pero nagawan pa rin dito ng paraan ni Abitria.
That's how versatile that player is. Kahit na sobrang sikip ng set na yun, nagawan pa rin ng paraan. Talking about Abitria, but on that sequence, let's see on that replay, point for the ACLC Hawks with that soft touch.
Now jersey number 7 on the side of ACLC to serve. Nice serve. Kutitob to Servidad. And Servidad with a powerful attack.
What a spike coming from Servidad. Coming from that open position, and now serving Maymay.
So free ball ulit para dito sa NCF on the other side. Again, Servidad scoring. So ito dapat yung babantayan dito ng ating ACLC. Medyo nahihirapan sila when it comes to their first ball. That's why they are having difficulties to execute a play. Now, Santos on deck to serve. Jersey number 3 will give up a free ball. Servidad will try. Great defense this time. Another free ball will be given on the side of them. And this time, Abitria.
Wow. What a spike coming from Keisha Abitria. And now, still on the service deck, Santos.
Service error para dito sa NCF. So 1 point will be added on the side of ACLC. Now jersey number 11 to serve, De La Torre. Good serve.
Good one-hand set there. Nice try for the ACLC Hawks, but a point for the Lady Tigers. It's 9-3. An impressive one-hand set coming from jersey number 8 of Lady Tigers, Kutitub Jasmine. Now serving Abitria. And with the help of the net, a service ace for the Tigers. 7-point lead.
Wow, the confidence on the side of NCF to deliver every point. Now, Abitria one more time for that sharp serve. Free ball. Kutitob setting up. Antang. Return to the center.
Pepino with that return to the sender. And it's a good ball right now. Still on the service line, Abitria.
And this time naman, jersey number 10 with that attack using the hands of the blocker, Felin. Now jersey number 3 on deck to serve, we have Moises. Kutito to Antang. And she will score.
Now on the service line for the Lady Tigers, Servidad. And a rotation error for the ACLC Hawks. A free point for the Lady Tigers. Full reception there. Will try. Pick up. Servidad setting up to Antang.
Nice defense. Now ACLC will be give up a free ball. Kutito. One more time for Antang. And
Good
the ball is
hustle.
still alive, Kelly.
Another one for Antang, and that hits the line for the NCF Tigers. It's 14-4. 10 puntos po ang kalamangan dito ng
Wow.
NCF Tigers.
Bantay sarado si Antang on that cross-court hit. That's why nakita na yung down the line. Libreng-libre on that last sequence. Great serve. ACLC, jersey number 10 with that attack error. Felin. So kailangan na dito mag-double ng effort itong ating ACLC because our score is 15-4. They need to chase the lead.
Of course, Rick, they need to start with a good first ball in order to set a good setting up for their wing spikers and create a point for the ACLC. But right now, still no progress for the ACLC Hawks. Paku po sa 4 na puntos dito. And the service ace, it's a 17-4. And still on the service line, it's a Selvidad. 17-4 puntos para sa NCF Tigers. And that took long. A free point for the ACLC Hawks.
ACLC to serve. Antang getting a point on that last hit. And that's our instant replay on that last tap coming from Antang. Pepino to serve. Good serve. And with that, 6 na puntos na lamang at makukuha na dito ng NCF ang unang set na ito.
It's 19-5 and lamang po ang NCF Tigers. Still on the service line, Pepino. Another good serve. Good first ball there. Hulog. Good pick up by Santos. Now Antang with that spike. Going to the open. Good pick up again by Santos. And back row by Abetria. Good dog there. Chance for the NCF Tigers to make this in 20. Antang with down the line point for the NCF Tigers. And a timeout called for the ACLC Hawks. Magbabalik po kami after the short break. And we are back on the hard court. It's 25 still on the service line. Pepino. And it's a long serve for Pepino. Puntos for the ACLC Hawk.
Now jersey number 10 to serve. And Santos getting that quick hit. Nalit yung blocker on the side of ACLC. Now Antang to serve. 4 more points to claim the set number 1. (21-6).
Taking her time. Now good. Serving. Antang. Nagagawa ng bola on the side of ACLC Hawks. And with the help of the net, puntos for the Hawks. As you see on the replay, sinuwerte doon.
Lucky point nga, Kelly, on the side of ACLC.
And a long shot for Abetria. No point. Nagkalituhan nga dito, miscommunication for the NCF Tigers. No one got that ball after the save coming from their libero. It's Valdez, jersey number 3.
Flores to serve. Too much angle. Unfortunately, with that unforced error, 3 puntos na lamang dito ang kailangang trabuhin on the side of NCF to win this first set. Kutitob on deck to serve. Kutitob setting up a Bitria with that powerful hit. Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. Wow, putting an exclamation point on the side of ACLC.
Still on the service line.
NCF. Ball is still alive. Antang. Napasobra or napalakas yung receive na yon. Score is 23-10.
A substitution for the ACLC Hawks. 7 out, 27 in for the serve. Last 2 points for the NCF Tigers. An outside serve from the ACLC and a set point for the NCF Tigers. And now ready to serve Santos. And that ends our first set. It's 25-10. And let's get back after the break for the second set. Only here on Bucal Season 6 Men's and Women's Volleyball on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our second set. It's the matchup between NCF Tigers versus the ACLC Hawks. Nakuha na nga dito ng NCF ang unang set. And this second set, kanino kaya mapupunta? It's either on the side of Tigers or on the side of Hawks. So yan po ang aabangan natin dito sa live coverage ng Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Kanina nga, on the first set, sobrang nalamangan ng puntos dito ang NCF Tigers. And let's see kung how the ACLC Hawks will recover on that thing. At as we see on the screen, new faces on the side of the NCF Tigers. Serving. To the opposite, Servidad. And that goes out. Puntos for the ACLC. Seeing new faces right now for the Tigers. We have Bernarte, middle blocker, and as well as the setter. It's jersey number 10. Another out.
Back-to-back service error for both teams. Now NCF on deck to serve. Servidad with that soft touch. The rally continues. Nagawan dito ng paraan. Antang will attack and getting a point. Kitang-kita on that last sequence yung sharp hit ni Antang. And now again NCF on your screen to serve.
And a double contact violation called for jersey number 25. Libreng puntos for the NCF Tigers. Now on the service line, Bernarte. Good. Now chance. The receive.
Servidad getting a point. 4-1 is our score. And at this moment, NCF slowly pulling away on our scoreboard. And they want to get this second set again.
And Drake, it's really good how we see these players enjoying the game, both the NCF Tigers and the ACLC Hawks. Kitang-kita sa mga ngiti ng mga batang to that they are really enjoying this match. But still on the service line, Bernarte.
Too strong on that attack. And with that, Bernarte still on that service line. Nakakailang service na itong si Bernarte. And to hear an update on the side of the Tigers, let's call our courtside reporter, Precious. Hi Precious, what's your update?
Yes, so Rick and Kelly, mas lalo ngang nag-aalab ang laban sa pagitan ng dalawang koponan, the ACLC Lady Hawks versus the NCF Lady Tigers. As we head on to the next buzzer, Coach Parley and Coach Rosalie reminded that NCF Tigers to communicate effectively inside the game, prioritize each roles, and focus as a team to block the opponent's attacks. Walang pinapalagpas na momentum ngayong gabi ang ating Lady Tigers because for them, this is not just a game but a representation of their hard work and sacrifices. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Precious, for that update. The NCF Tigers want to end this easily. Syempre, they will now be heading on to the semifinal if they will win this game. And of course, as she have said earlier, that communication is really the key para maganda ang larong ito.
Now, miscommunication again on the side of NCF, and with that, ACLC will get that 1 point on their side. And now, jersey number 10 on deck to serve. And to hear an update on the side of the ACLC Hawks, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Anong balita dyan?
Maraming salamat, Rick and Kelly. Things didn't look good na sa side ng Hawks during the first set. We can't deny the fact that their opponents are skilled and experienced sa ganitong klaseng mga liga. Pero ang maganda naman dito is the bravery of these girls facing their battle with a heart full of courage regardless of the difficulty. Well, you know, Kelly and Rick, I was once an athlete myself. At isa sa mga natutunan ko is that no matter how difficult the game is, give it your all and give it your best. Not just in sports, but also in life. At yan din naman ang mga pinapakita ng ating ACLC Hawks. This is just the second set, kaya madami pang pwedeng mangyari. Kaya balik muna sa inyo, Rick and Kelly.
Thank you so much, Zai. It's true that the ACLC Hawks currently showing bravery right now considering that they are facing the champion of Bucal Season 5. At syempre, tama nga, hindi pa tapos ang laro, kaya naman dapat na huwag makampante dito ang NCF Tigers.
Great dig! Nice floor defense on the side of ACLC. Nice dig. And now, outside on that last attack. This is good on the side of the ACLC. And now, jersey number 1, Malaat to serve. Nice serve. Papabawiin dito si jersey number 5 and will get a point after that attack.
A good point coming from Mangino. Napabawi dito. Now on the service line, Servidad. Good receive there to the opposite. But a strong hit. Oh, it's a check ball for the ACLC Hawks. Point for them. It's 9-5. Apat lamang ang kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers.
Very brave on that last attack coming from Moises. Hindi dito alintana yung mga blockers on the side of NCF. And this time, good serve then. Back-to-back points for her.
You know, Rick, we are really excited to see these players grow. Diba?
Yes.
Hindi lang ito yung mga bagay na pwedeng mangyari dito. But on that sequence, an error for the NCF Tigers.
Servidad pipe attack. Ball is still alive. Free ball ang ibibigay ni Moises. Antang. And now, soft touch. Nice dolphin dig. And what a point on the side of the ACLC Hawks.
That's actually really cute though, an interaction inside the court.
Yes, the second 6 of the NCF enjoying this match.
What a
And
hit.
now, catching that end line, makakabawi dito ang kanilang kupunan. Kitang-kita on that replay.
Now serving Punzalan. A good try though for these youngsters. Now on the service line for ACLC Hawks, jersey number 2.
Jersey number 5, soft touch. Nabasa yon ng defense on the side of ACLC. Now, One more time for her, but this time straight to the net attack, and with that, we are all tied up at 10. Wow, ACLC, this is their chance to steal this second set dito sa mga errors na nagagawa on the side of NCF.
Gawa ng paraan dito. Chance for the Tigers. We end. Good dog there. Chance once again. Antang with the receive.
One more time for jersey number 5. Nice hustle, but kinapos lamang dito na may tawid yung bola on the side of ACLC.
A good point for
Yes.
the NCF Tigers. And Mangino will be now serving.
Nice jump serve.
A chance.
Free ball.
A miss hit there, but a good point for the NCF Tigers. You know what, Rick? It's really good to see these young players playing inside the court, enjoying only,
Another jump serve.
Wow. What a serve. Now, servidad to Antang. And that hits the line. Puntos for the NCF Tigers.
$13-10 is our score. Pabor po sa NCF Lady Tigers. Now, on deck to serve, we have jersey number 5. Straight to the net. Servidad received that one and setting up Antang. Too much force on that attack. And with that, isang puntos lamang dito ang kailangang habulin on the side of the ACLC Hawks. Now, time to serve. Pababawian dito si Antang. Nice dig. Free ball will be given on the side of the NCF. And this time, makakabawi din dito ang middle blocker ng kanilang kupunan.
What a timing coming from Bernarte. A good point for her. Now serving. Oh, it's a lifting violation for the ACLC Hawks. Libreng puntos for the Tigers. Now serving jersey number 10.
Servidad, soft touch. Nabantay nito. And now, ACLC on the attack. The rally continues.
A good hustle pero sayang. It was a good save coming from their libero.
Four touches. Or wait, because the second referee will clarify things sa ating first referee. 16-13. Meanwhile, mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shout out kay Jan Basales, kay Jameson Brenya, kay Brian Toso, kay Kim Monteroso, kay James Gabarda at kay Christine Reyes. Thank you so much and happy watching. Meanwhile, on that last sequence, service error on the side of ACLC. Again, they cannot afford to give 3 points on their opponent because they are the one behind para din sa ating pangalawang set. Bernarte on deck to serve. Jersey number 3. Itatawid dito ang bola. And now, Antang.
Another long shot for Antang.
Servidad will try. Nice dig. Wow, the ball's still alive. Chance for the NCF to kill this one. And with the help of the net and with that delay, makakakuha si Antang ng puntos.
The set was too tight. Rather, pero nagawa ng paraan doon, talking about Antang.
Another free ball.
No anticipation there for the Lady Tigers. A free point for the ACLC.
Another miscommunication, Kelly, on the side of the NCF. Pero pababawian ba dito? Too strong. Back-to-back unforced error on the side of the NCF. And I'm sure ACLC talagang tinatake advantage itong nangyayaring kaguluhan inside the NCF. Lady Tigers. Ball is still alive. Wow. But unfortunately, that hesitation on jersey number 3, Moises, kung itatawid niya na ba yung bolang yon. Miscommunication then on the side of their team. Sayang, isang puntos na lamang sana dito ang kanilang hahabulin.
That's actually the ACLC can't afford, dahil lumahabol sila dito talking about that error. But on that side naman, it's an outside hit coming from Mangino. And we'll be now seeing Abitria going inside and Mangino will go outside.
Ayan, ipapasok ulit dito si Kapitana on the side of the NCF. For some offense, I think, on the side of their team.
A service ace coming from the ACLC Hawks and we are officially tied up right now.
Wow! I'm sure the fans on the side of ACLC talagang ang saya ngayong nakatabla na sila dito sa ating NCF Tigers and may chance pa sila but no one gets that second ball. Sayang yun on the side of their team. Free ball sana. And a substitution on the side of NCF, Santos.
Just a miscommunication there earlier.
Yeah. Because hindi nalaman yung whistle na yon is from the substitution. So the volleyball continues as Santos serving this ball.
Another good serve. But a lifting violation called for the ACLC. Again, the NCF Tigers should not be complacent on what is really happening right now dahil kayang lumaban dito ng ACLC Hawks. Let's see if makukuha dito ng NCF Tigers ang second set.
Another lifting violation. Nakakadalawa na itong setter ng ating ACLC side. Sayang, yung hinabol na mga puntos on the side of ACLC, but ngayon, paunti-unti na namang kumakawala dito yung ating NCF Tigers.
And it's 21-18 na nga lamang. Parang iisa lamang yung puntos na lamang, but a good there talking about that to ACLC, but now to Petria, another good dig.
Nice dig! And now, another opportunity para sa mga Tigre goes on that middle attack. But again, the defense though, on the side of ACLC, but hindi na dito Kelly papayag itong si Abitri on the third attempt.
We look into that replay, talagang after that 3 consecutive hit,
yes,
but still a good dig from the ACLC, hindi na pumayag dito.
Nice serve. And now, NCF on the attack. Grabe, nagawan pa dito yung broken set na yon and broken play. Look at that. Unaware yung mga players on the side of ACLC na napunta na sa kanila yung bola. And now, Santos again serving. Pababawiin dito, but unfortunately, straight to the net attack. And with that, NCF now on the set point.
Let's see if the NCF Tigers will close this set. Now serving Santos. Another good serve. Soft touch there. In the middle, but a double contact violation for the setter of NCF Tigers. It's 24-19. Substitution will be called for the ACLC Lady Hawks. 9 in, jersey number 2 out.
Bola ngayon ipapasok on the side of ACLC to make an impact. 19 serving 24. Abitria denied at the net. Pipe attack. Nice defense on the side of ACLC. Free ball. And getting a point. Another opportunity. At napapasayo pa nga dito yung mga players on the side of ACLC. 1 point. Nakadagdag ulit dito sa kanilang kupunan. 1 set point save on the side of their team. But unfortunately, bola serving that one straight into the net. And with that, dalawang set na po ang nakuha ng NCF. We'll be right back for our third and final set only here. Or rather, sa ating third set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education.
And we are back on the hard court for our third set. Now, Abetria saw that donut hole puntos for the NCF Tiger.
Kutitob on deck to serve. Ayan, shoutout naman tayo at Kelly dyan sa mga ating nanonood up until this time.
Ayan, syempre po, shoutout po natin si Wena Syra Tresvalles with Jero Kim and also Francia Oliva Palero, Third Musa and Jacqueline Farley Chavez. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok sa ating live streaming kahit ganitong oras na dito sa Bucal Men's and Women's Volleyball.
And now, back-to-back points on the side of NCF Tigers. 0-2 is our score. So, the ACLC, if they want to prolong this match, they need to do it at this moment because yung NCF isang set na lamang and they will get this win. Kutito, pipe attack, Bayantang. And it lands on the line. 3-0. What a great start on the side of the NCF para dito sa ating third set. But Kutitob sending it to the net. So free point will be given on the side of ACLC.
A good serve there. Now, Servidad, good dig. And a point for the ACLC Hawks. What a dig, a lucky dig there for the libero of the ACLC. And now, still on the service line, jersey number 7. Another good serve. Now, chance for the ACLC to open. And that's a point for the ACLC, and we are tied up to 3-all.
Again, Moises with that strong attack. And now, ACLC tying this matchup. Now, Kutitob setting up in the middle. Abitria, nice dig coming from jersey number 24. But unfortunately, napalakas yung over na yon on the side of ACLC. And speaking of ACLC, ano ang gagawin ngayon ng kanilang kupunan knowing na isang set na lamang at makukuha na ito ng NCF? Zai, anong balita dyan?
Rick and Kelly, here we are at the third set. At gladly, lumapit naman ang score ng ating ACLC Hawks during the second set, ending the game with a 5-point gap. I feel like nag-warm up lang talaga ang ating Hawks para sa third quarter. Maybe this time, maybe this will be the time where they'll turn the game around. Let's see, Rick and Kelly, since it's too soon pa rin naman to predict the outcome of today's game, they just need to work harder and move faster to finally achieve a continuous change. That's all the updates I have for now from the side of the ACLC Hawks. Balik muna sa inyo, Rick and Kelly.
Thank you, Zai, for that update. The ACLC Hawks shown a good fight on that second set. And let's see right now, dikit naman yung score, Rick. And tingnan natin dito kung makukuha ba or they will add another set for this matchup. And now on the service line, Kisha Abetria.
Well, again, Moises Chance for them to attack. Pero net violation. Sayang yun para dito kay Moises.
You know, Rick, I just love how the players having fun right now along with their coaches. Siyempre, wag na natin dagdagan yung pressure.
Yes.
But right now, after that service ace, let's hear an update on the side of the NCF Tigers. Precious, take it away.
Maraming salamat Rick and Kelly, and as we all witness, talagang walang pinapalagpas na opportunity ang ating NCF Lady Tigers para sa kanilang depensa. With their collective strength, they are able to execute an intense play against the ACLC Lady Hawks. And of course, as Coach Rosalie said earlier, that to play at their fullest best, execute what they have trained, and to also play as a Roaring Tigers. That's all for now. Back to you, Rick and Kelly.
And thank you so much, Precious, for that update on the side of the NCF. Yun nga, nakikita nga natin dito kung paano tinatrabaho itong NCF, itong set number 3. 9-4 is our score. Talagang gusto na lang tapusin ito in a straight set. Abitria, one more time for that beautiful serve. Back to back, beautiful serve ang papakawalan dito ni Abitria. And now again, on deck to serve, Abitria. Cotito to Antang, soft touch, finding that donut hole on the side of ACLC Hawks. Let's take a look one more time for that instant replay. Good decision on the side of NCF, courtesy of Antang. And now, Kisha ulit mag-serve on the side of their team. This time, short serve naman. What a great momentum on the side of the NCF coming from that beautiful serve on the side of their team. Sabi nga dito sa volleyball, the first offense is this service. So talaga namang dapat pag-igihan dito yung kanilang mga serves. And on your screen is the highlight of our match for today.
It's not yet the end of the game, but lamang po dito ang NCF Tigers with 12-4. Nasabi mo nga kanina, Rick, that it will always start from the service of the player. Kapag may mabigat talagang serve, talagang puntos agad. Right now, still on the service deck, Abitria.
Another beautiful serve. Now, Cotito, back set to Servidad with that soft touch. Buhay pa rito, Moises, 1v1. But, jersey number 11, De La Torre having a hard time to cross that ball on the other side of court. At napatawa na lang nga dito si jersey number 11, De La Torre on that last sequence. Again and again, Abitria serving the ball. Moises naman ngayon, too much angle on that attack.
Lack of wrist action there for the ACLC Hawks. No placement, kaya sobrang lumabas yung bola. Talking about that hit.
Yes. And also clippings is very important para dito sa ating volleyball dahil kahit hindi masyadong kalakasan yung attack mo, at least nagkakaroon ng impact yung bola.
That's correct. And also kahit di masyadong kataasan yung talon mo, as long as you have the clippings, talagang kayang-kaya makatawid yung bola.
And on that last sequence, another service ace for Abitria. This time, free ball ang ibibigay ni Moises. And
Wow.
Moises scoring on that last one.
A good placement there. Nakita ni Moises na walang tao sa likod after that service of Abitria. Medyo kinulang doon ang anticipation si Keisha. Kaya naman libreng puntos for the ACLC Hawks. And now she's serving.
Good serve. Back-to-back error on the side of NCF. 15-6 is our score in favor on the side of NCF. Now Moises again on deck to serve. What a heavy serve. Now free ball on their team. Kutitob naman setting up Antang on that down the line hit.
What a smart play there for the NCF Tigers, saying that hole on the down the line. Now serving Servidad. Another service ace for the NCF Tigers. And it's 17-6. Service error from Servidad.
And now ACLC to serve. Kutitob setting up Antang, and Antang favorite spot is the down the line. Substitution on the side of the ACLC Hawks. And now, NCF to serve. Moises setting up. Jersey number 24. Nobody homes on that last sequence on the side of NCF. Flores successful on that last hit.
A service error from the ACLC Hawks. 6-point way para makuha dito ng Tigers ang panalo and to advance in the semifinals. And a service ace coming from Antang. Still on the service line. One hand set, Pipino. And a good point for the NCF Tigers. Still on the service line. Good pickup there. Again, chance for the ACLC.
Moises will give up a free ball. Kutitob. Pipe attack by Antang. Ball is still alive. And now, Flores will give up a free ball. And in the middle, Pepino. Back-to-back points for her.
Now still on the service line, Antang. Filipino with and 1-2 play. An effective one, and now the ACLC will call the timeout. What a nice play coming from the NCF Tigers. 2 puntos na lamang po ang kailangan dito ng NCF para may uwi ang panalo. And time check, it's 9:26 in the evening at buhay na buhay pa rin ho ang NCF covered court para sa live coverage ng Bucal Season 6 Men's and Women's Volleyball.
Ayan, para lagi tayong updated sa mga hardcourt happenings, just tune in to GNN TV 48 Naga o Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon for more volleyball and basketball actions. Error on that last sequence on the side of NCF. One more time for Abitria. And Abitria getting a point on that last attack.
I love the energy of the both teams, especially the ACLC Lady Hawks. You know, it seems like hindi sila talaga, hindi angat dito yung NCF Tigers dahil they're enjoying the game. Last point for the NCF. Let's see if ito na ba ang kanilang panalo. And yes, officially 25-9 at nakuha nga po ng NCF Tigers to advance into the semifinals. At mamaya lamang makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game sa pagbabalik ng Bucal Season 6 Men's and Women's Volleyball only here on GNN TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education, Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF.
And there you have it. Our best player of the game is brought to us by Naga College Foundation, home of the champion, leap into the future. And beside me is our best player of the game, jersey number 11, Keisha Alexa Abitria, with 15 points, 11 attacks, 4 aces, 4 excellent digs, and 1 excellent reception. So congratulations, Keisha, on your win this evening. So ano yung nararamdaman mo dahil pasok na tayo, pasok ng NCF dito sa semifinals ng Bucal?
Siyempre po, masaya since nakapasok po kami. And ginawa din namin yung mga dapat naming gawin para makapasok din.
And ano po yung aabangan namin sa NCF Lady Tigers knowing na kayo yung defending champion? So a little bit of pressure on your side. So ano pa yung gagawin nyo para ma-defend yung crown dito sa ating Bucal Season 6?
Araw-araw man po kami nagpo-practice and syempre po yung iba po sa amin nag-improve yung mga juniors po namin. So abangan nyo po sila kasi tutulungan po nila yung mga seniors na na ipanalo po yung Bucal ulit.
And last, shout out to all your fans and supporters na nakatutok at patuloy na sumusuporta sa NCF.
Binabati ko po yung family ko po dyan sa Sorsogon. Hi, Mami, tas Daddy, tas yung mga teachers ko po and sa NCF community. And kay Bane po. Hi, Bane. Ganda.
And congratulations again, Kisha, on your big win today. So again, our best player of the game, Kisha Abitria. And that's it. That's the end of our Bucal volleyball happenings dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. For more actions on our basketball and volleyball, talagang susuportahan dapat natin ang ating live coverage. We have the Oragon Sports TV for more actions. And of course, next week, abangan natin ang iba't ibang games pa dito sa Bucal. And of course, OBL Level Cup, tutok lamang po dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Kelly Francisco, and of course, congratulations sa lahat ng teams na nanalo ngayong araw. They're all in, going in advance to the semi-finals.
Yes.
Again, ito po ang Bucal Season 6 Men's and Women's Volleyball, only here on GNN TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.